Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. Today, I'm excited to share a simple yet powerful pocket option trading strategy that's perfect for beginners and experienced traders alike. This strategy uses the crossover of two simple moving averages to identify profitable trades. Don't worry if you're new to trading. I'll break it down step by step. It's very important to set up the two simple moving averages correctly for this strategy to work. I'll explain these settings later in the video, so stay with me till the end without skipping. Missing these details might prevent you from using the strategy effectively. Risk warning: trading binary options carries significant financial risk, and you could lose money. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always trade responsibly, never risk money you can't afford to lose, and do your own research before making any trading decisions. How this strategy works? This strategy is simple, easy to follow, and highly effective, especially for beginners. Let's dive into the trading rules. When to buy. Check if the price is above the red SMA line. Wait for the white SMA line to cross above the red SMA line and move upward. Look for confirmation of a bullish candle. Once the bullish candle confirms, place a buy trade with a 5-minute expiry on the next candle. When to sell. Check if the price is below the red SMA line. Wait for the red SMA line to cross above the white SMA line and move downward. Look for confirmation of a bearish candle. Once the bearish candle confirms, place a sell trade with a 5-minute expiry on the next candle. Important notes: this strategy works best in trending markets. Stay away from flat or sideways markets. Large candles can disrupt the strategy's effectiveness. The European session and New York session are ideal for trading real markets due to higher volume and volatility. Do not trade during major news events, as they can cause unpredictable market movements. This strategy works well in both real and OTC markets. Now, I'll take you through some live trades to show you exactly how this strategy works. Watching these trades will help you understand the process and clear up any doubts. Before we begin, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss valuable trading tips and strategies. All right, traders, let's get started with the live examples. Grab a notebook and let's learn how to make the most out of this powerful SMA crossover strategy. Right now, we see the price is below the red SMA line, and the white SMA line is crossing the red SMA line, moving downward. Plus, we've got a confirmation from a bearish candle, so it's time to place a sell trade with a 5-minute expiry. Now let's quickly understand why this works. An SMA, or simple moving average, is a technical tool that calculates the average price of an asset over a specific time. It smoothens out price movements, making it easier to spot trends. In this strategy, we use two SMAs, a fast-moving SMA for short-term trends, a slow-moving SMA for long-term trends. Here's the basic rule. When the shorter SMA crosses above the longer SMA, it's a buy signal, indicating a potential upward trend. When the shorter SMA crosses below the longer SMA, it's a sell signal, pointing to a downward trend. This method is simple, beginner-friendly, and highly effective for short-term binary trading. But a quick tip: this strategy works best in trending markets. Before trying it on a real account, practice on a demo account first. This will help you understand the setup, refine your skills, and build confidence. Only trade live when you're fully prepared. Now let's wait and see how this trade turns out. We've won this trade. This is the power of using a solid and simple strategy like the SMA crossover method. But we're not done yet. Let's stay focused and find the perfect setup for our next trade. Keep watching to see how we apply this strategy live, step by step. Here's the current trade setup. The price is below the red SMA line, which confirms the bearish momentum. The white SMA has crossed the red SMA and is now moving downward. We've also received confirmation with a bearish candle, signaling a strong sell opportunity. According to our strategy, this is the perfect moment to take a sell trade with a 5-minute expiry. Let's place the trade and wait for the results. While we wait for this trade to play out, make sure to watch the video till the end. I'll reveal the exact settings for both the SMA lines that make this strategy so effective. This trade was a win. Let's keep the momentum going and dive into the settings for the two simple moving averages indicators that we're using in this strategy. Here's how to set them up step by step. Add the first simple moving average indicator. Open the indicator settings and set the period to 3. Choose white for the main line color to make it easy to identify. Add another simple moving average indicator. Open its settings and set the period to 50. Set the main line color to red for clear distinction. Why these settings work. The 3-period SMA, white, reacts quickly to price movements, helping you spot short-term trends. The 50-period SMA, red, moves slower, providing a broader view of the market direction. Together, they form the perfect combination for this crossover strategy. Make sure to set up these indicators correctly before starting to trade. The accuracy of this strategy heavily depends on these settings, so double-check everything before placing trades. Now that we've covered the SMA settings, let's jump back into live trading examples. Watching real trades is the best way to understand how this strategy works in real time. Here's our next setup. The price is below the red SMA line, confirming a bearish trend. The white SMA line has crossed the red SMA line and is moving downward. We've also received confirmation with a bearish candle, which makes this the perfect opportunity to take a sell trade with a 5-minute expiry. Let's place the trade and see how it plays out. While we wait, let me know in the comments section which strategies you'd like me to cover in future videos. I love creating content based on your requests and suggestions. We've won this trade. Another successful example of how effective this strategy can be when applied correctly. That's it for today, traders. A quick reminder, practice this strategy on a demo account before using it for real trading. This will help you build confidence and refine your skills without risking actual money. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more trading tips and strategies. Like this video to let me know you enjoyed it. Share it with other traders who might find it valuable. Your support helps the channel grow, and I'll keep bringing you more valuable content to help you on your trading journey. Good luck with your trading, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, and happy trading.